All India Congress Committee President Rahul Gandhi addresses massive election rally in Hapta Kangjibung, assures stand against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Naga People's Front NPF declared Dr. Lorho Pose as candidate for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in upcoming 17 Lok Sabha election. Manpack gears up to hold People's Conference along with various Northeast-based organizations in Imphal from April 1st to 3rd to discuss on various issues facing Northeast states. President Ramnath Kovind appoints former Supreme Court Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh as country's first Lokpal chairperson. Lining Thosanamahi Temple Board warns against burning of Salai Tarid and Mangang Luang Kuman flag along with Yaoshang ceremonial hut. An All Manipur Working Journalists Union kicks off annual 9th Journalist Sports Meet 2019 as part of Yaosang Festival. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. President of All India Congress Committee, AICC Rahul Gandhi declared that the unique culture, tradition and language of Manipur cannot be extinguished by anyone. He was addressing a massive election campaign at Hapta Kangjibung in Imphal today. Thousands of people gathered to hear the younger leader talk in the meet organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. Rahul Gandhi assured that when UPA comes to power, a special status will be accorded to the state. He further assured of bringing back UPA government-initiated special industrial policy of the state, which was revoked by NDA government. Speaking further, Rahul Gandhi slammed Prime Minister Modi as a messenger of hatred in the country and a deceiver. He said India is not a land of hatred, it is a land of happiness and Modi is a messenger of hatred. He said whenever Modi goes there is something nasty he has to say. Rahul Gandhi said he has wonderful interaction with youths of the state. Acknowledging the unemployment crisis facing the youths, the AICC president asserted that Congress aims to make Manipur and Northeast a center for job creation. He condemned Modi government for destroying over 1 crore jobs in India during its tenure against its assurance to provide 2 crore jobs during BJP election campaign in 2014. He mentioned that in a single day in 2018, Modi government destroyed around 30,000 jobs in India. Rahul Gandhi slammed the NDA government right from the demonetization policy, GST, Rafale aircraft deal to the recent Citizenship Amendment Bill on the occasion. He assured that Congress will make sure that CAP does not become a law. Rahul Gandhi assured to bring best education facility in Manipur. He also assured to revive Look East policy initiated by Congress Party into a reality and make Manipur a bridge for the entire nation and Asia. The AICC president said Congress has Dil Ka Rishta with people of Northeast.
And I am committing to you here today that the moment we come to power, special status to the Northeast will be reinstated, you will get it back. I am committing to you here again that the special industrial policy for the Northeast that was snatched away from you is going to be given back to you. And I am committing that nobody, not the Prime Minister of India, not the murder accused Anil Shah, not anybody is going to be allowed to touch the culture, the language, the history of Manipur. Nagpur is never ever going to rule Manipur. The Congress Party will stand with you. We will ensure that Citizen Amendment Bill does not become law. We will fight it. We will fight it in the Rajya Sabha, in the Lok Sabha. And if we have to fight it, we will fight it on the streets with you. But we are never going to allow this.
Speaking in the meet, CLP leader Okram Bobi stated that Manipur will cease to exist if the people continue to put their faith in BJP government. He remarked that the vulnerable condition of the present government will come to light at the end of the current financial year. Bobi criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi for bluffing the public by assuring to bring 0% corruption in Manipur if BJP rules in his 2014 Lok Sabha election campaign. He further asked what significant projects the BJP government has undertaken in its over 2 years of regime in Manipur. The former chief minister condemned Prime Minister Narendra Modi for giving false assurance to people of the state. MPCC leaders, Congress MLAs, Congress workers and many party supporters attended the meet.
Particularly BJP ki cadres in the aina thamjagado wafam se sumbra lanbra haido, they should have to be clarified next day. Hayang maximo sengdor gado baneba. 2014 da Narendra Modi ji na campaign lakpada. BJP na sason pairaba. Manipur ki praja na BJP da sason le sakti sinaraba. 0% corruption. Have the corruption suklai laitaba sasonama Manipuri prajada pigani haibaneba. Matamdugi akhoi government ai isama puna Mr. Ibo B 10% Ibo B in a man high gibaneba. Adu hujiti Manipur ki praja singna khumbir oba. Shigi paliba sarkar se o palli looted 30% kwaile pipa 50% senjaba huran ba. Government never single labor state government say, I can challenge Mr. Modi.
MPCC President Gai Khangam stated that names of Congress candidates for the both Outer and Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency for the upcoming 17 Lok Sabha elections will be announced without further delay. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Gai Khangam expressed gratitude to all the people who participated in Rahul Gandhi's election campaign organized by MPCC today. He also conveyed heartiest greetings to people of Manipur on the happy and auspicious occasion of Yaosang 2019 and urged everyone to contribute in bringing communal harmony in the state.
Hayengdigi hauna pangthokadaba khoi Yaosang Holi ase masi PCC gi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki taraptigi khoi mayam gi taraptigi sa gi taraptigi yaipa paujel Manipur sing tampjama kuri makta pijari. Honorable Congress President ngarang 19 digi ngasi nungthin phawba la amadugama visit aduda Manipur dali praja chinaw punama alaman sing mai ben sing pang sing naron sing khwai punamakna harau na lengbe raktana sigi magi visit ase mai pahan bibigi damakta Manipur praja punamak ki mafamda thagat phongdoksari amadi tobiman khangbu uchari.
Meanwhile, CLP leader and former Chief Minister Okram Bobi clarified that his statement in today's election campaign, where he remarked that Rahul Gandhi will be the next Chief Minister of India instead of saying the next Prime Minister of India, as a major speech blunder. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan, Bobi urged people to forgive his mistake. Bobi said he made a mistake in a haste to conclude the rally as AICC President Rahul Gandhi was to attend a program in Tripura.
Shri Rahul ji na mathang 2019 election loram tungda Bharat ki Prime Minister sung soi na woigani na haigadabda thu na magi Tripura gi trip to khoi theng gi batare haina isu pakat poi kari boy hai batare Rahul ji na su yardi kitang shorten tawro hai badu daida young dynamic energetic waiba Shri Rahul ji na sung soi na 2019 election matungda Bharat ki Prime Minister oirani haibasi haigadabda Chief Minister haigibdu madu slip of tongue ni haidana ai madu ai sengdoksari.
Naga People's Front NPF is filing Dr. Lorho Fozi as candidate for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in the upcoming 17 Lok Sabha election. The announcement was made during a press meet held at Lamphilpat quarter of MLA Tamai cum NPF Manipur Unit President Awangbao Nyumai today. Awangbao Nyumai stated that 3 intending candidates of NPF, including former Ukhrul MLA Samuel Risam, former MP BD Barring, and Dr. Lorho Fuzi applied for party ticket to contest in Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency for the upcoming election, out of which NPF President Sur Hosli Lidzisu granted the ticket to Dr. Lorho Fuzi at NPF headquarters in Kohima yesterday. He mentioned that Dr. Lorho Fuzi served as a medical official in state health services for a long time and that he is also a social activist with in-depth awareness on various issues facing the state. Awang Bauniuma asserted that NPF is contesting the election so that it can contribute in bringing peace and communal harmony in Manipur.
Community amana community amabo imugmak gumna khalle harga akoi respect pinaba amagi rights asi kramhaina respect pinagadra haibisida akoi NPF ki achauba muru oiba agenda wena ahobdigi ngasi pawba sumaina akoi NPF je chathaduna lebani akoina represent toriba asigi state asida kramhaina peace lay shera habise akhoi ge quite the important over agenda when akhoi na angamba contribution piraga sumaina ngasi praja seba toba habise akhoi ge pandamni.
Taking part in the press meet, NPF candidate Dr. Lorho Fuzi asserted that he is contesting the election with an aim to culminate the long-standing communal chaos in the state. He maintained that NPF believes in the principle of bringing harmony and peace among inhabiting communities in the state for bringing development. He asserted that NPF is striving for peace and unity in Manipur and not disintegration.
NPF ki Manipur da lakpa matamda ngasai irang na thalam gadra Manipur thugai khidra na khalam bado haujikti Manipur da shanti purakpa party ama oire habisi akhoi nu chlau jai adagi mayam na shu madugi perception du lairam gani habisi thajabane maduna akhoi ne ni jabadi haujikti aseng banaga ama oina ai changselak pani hoi mayam na Manipur thugai gani habigi wakhan chu kayamrom chulai madubu maduma kari matasunate shanti purak na begini akhoi communal harmony laina na begini akhoi chokhat tharam sida khut samnaraga thaboksi suminasi chatminasi.
Manipur People's Party MPP President and party inner candidate for upcoming 17 Lok Sabha election, Oinam Jugindro, stated that no national political party will ever pay attention to any state issues. He asserted that only a regional political party can understand the issues facing the state. He was speaking on Impact News Exclusive, Meet the Candidate program in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha election. Oinam Jugindro maintained that 15 years of Congress governance led by Oibobi was supported by 48 MLAs, while the present BJP government led by Chief Minister Nongtong Bambiri is appreciated by all. However, when serious issues of the state arises, leaders of national political parties await for instructions from the central party leaders. He appealed to support regional political party which can truly understand and represent people's concerns.
Congress amasung BJP se masi sen mayam khaki manungda mama amana Congress hoiba mama amana BJP hoibani na aina logjai inner line permit system matanda Manipur People's Protection Bill ama kaya puthoi 2012 to put mini phuni parna support toriba adugumba ibo bigi government do maduna assembly do lobo ware Manipur People's Protection Bill do mana thaba bill du matamugi Home Minister Sushil Kumar Sindhi ne kari haige nangna loriba sigi Manipur State Assembly ne loriba se masi lipung phamna lowa ware ni masi lowi aroi haidana haima to ibo bino response ngam bibra ibo yam kalamba yai Kanjukali, Aduga Birenzu say, Ani, Siminister, Quari Atowa, Barat na Masakangaba, Hum Sua, Adugumba, Quari Bisenova, Minister Nel, Autocravni, Todi, Mokoze, Kandi Kanba, Karmakan, Tarang, Manung de Leva, Nongcha, Angana Kaboka, Karpijaba, Aduga Latum Nagata, Sanaba, Adugumba, leader in Akon Lowell.
Manipur People's Party MPP might file 2 candidates for Manipur inner parliamentary seat in the upcoming 17 Lok Sabha election. Till now, party president Oinam Jugindro has even started election campaigning as a candidate for the inner seat for the election. On the other hand, interim president of MPP elected by MPP Central Committee Laikram Pabi is all set to file Morang Them Tom Tom Sana as MPP inner seat candidate for the upcoming election. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Laikram Pabi termed Oinam Jugindro as a self-acclaimed MPP president who was denounced by the party for his involvement in corruption. He maintained that MPP is still a party recognized by the Election Commission of India. He said the Election Commission has been approached to approve his sponsored candidate. However, no reply has come forward as yet. Laikram Pabi asserted that there is no official inner seat candidate of MPP as yet.
Jugindro, Masana, Masi, Hantono, Yankan Honari, Hantogadi, a official candidate Hadokani, and appeal to Zanimadi, Lanai, Kanunati, Silebaki, Pony, Nakal Namatagi, me and that of Vidana, I was Pavada, party with a Sangbiaro, and nothing you say. Aroi Boena, Mutan Kandabiraga, Hanto Hani, Simatang a Mawiski Silena, Lebaki, don't tell a video of my am, in a humble appeal request to Zeri.
Field Outreach Bureau of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Imphal organized an awareness campaign on systematic voters' education and electoral participation (SEEF) at Kham Manipur College in Kakching District today. Students and youths who are eligible to vote were given resourceful insights on the utility of C-Visual app during the program. Extempore speech on various topics like C-Visual app, SEEF, free and fair election, stop buying and selling vote, peaceful election, paid news, ECI, etc. was held as part of the event. Manipur People's Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, MANPAC, in collaboration with various Northeast-based organizations, will hold a major People's Conference in Imphal from April 1st to 3rd to discuss on various issues facing the Northeast states. Speaking to media at MANPAC office today, MANPAC convener Yumnamcha Dilukumar stated that people of the state took tenacious movements against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill, following which people of Northeast states resolved to stand against the bill. He said a team of 12 MANPAC members met with leaders of CSOs of 7 Northeast states from February 27 till March 19 and unanimously agreed to stand firm against the bill and other issues. He appealed for public cooperation for the upcoming conference. Taking part in the press meet, MANPAC convener Ningthauja Lancha termed the upcoming conference of paramount importance for people of the Northeast states. He disclosed that a committee comprising of leaders of various organizations of Northeast states will also be formed during the conference.
Common platform Mashamba Havasa Masiki Pandam Sida Junction Baduna Adugi Ahoboina Hojik Northeast People's Conference Sama Impal Tokadori Bese have Northeast people Singdugi Northeast Ki Indigenous Forum Lairibakaya Singdugi Mihut Singdugolana Koi organizing committee ma Shemaga Hariba Conference Tompung Pana Pangto Matunda Maduda Yamna Achetpa Wareka Loba Havase Menpeki Maigedegi Yamna Achetpa Tazabugaluna Tamjabo Pamni.
Joint Action Committee against the killing of Twalkhalian Kuptong, who was murdered at Mata village about a month ago, carried out a coffin rally today against failure of the relevant authority to nab the culprits. Police personnel stationed at district hospital since early morning tried to prevent the rally. However, JC leaders, after hammering the lock of the morgue, carried out the coffin en route Thangjam Road and Tidim Road. Scuffle ensued between the protesters and the police at Old Bazaar. S.O. Churachandpur, Thangboy Gangte intervened and the rally peacefully concluded at District Hospital morgue after depositing the dead body. JC leader warned of another intense agitation if relevant authority failed to book the culprit at the earliest. Roser Irom Memorial Trust, Imphal, along with family members, today observed the 8th death anniversary of Roser Irom on Airport Road, Gari, where he breathed his last. Attendees of the memorial event paid for floral tributes to the portrait of late Roser and observed 1 minute silence as a mark of respect to his departed soul. It may be recalled that Roser Irom, son of Haibam Ningol, Irom Ongbi Chitra, and Irom Lokendro from Wangkhay, Angom Laikai, Angam Laikai was allegedly shot dead on March 20 of 2011 in a scuffle that occurred on Airport Road.
Yamna naha oidiba phadagi mapur sitena loikiba adugumba naha asigi damakta aikhoina yamna thamoi sokpa phawribadi sigumba naha amana tungi yumbi mo erakadaba mana tawrakadaba kayama leiramba yai adu khangtapta loikre punsi se yamna tena satkhagasu mana telaba matam khare hingamba sida mana tawjaramba punsigi magi thabak amasung punsigi contribution ado madu yamna pung phaba amani.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla conveyed heartiest greetings to people of Manipur on happy and auspicious occasion of Yaosang 2019. In her greetings, the governor said Yaosang celebrates the onset of spring, signifying rejuvenation of the spirit of life. Stating that sports has become integral in Yaosang, where emphasis is more on participation irrespective of age, caste, sex and creed. The governor said it is heartening that all communities are joining the celebration. Dr. Najma Heptulla called on everyone to resolve to pave a way for a better and peaceful Manipur, where every community respects each other and appreciates the space and function of other communities for a harmonious coexistence. Chief Minister Nongthong Birin has extended heartiest greetings on the auspicious occasion of Yaosang Festival. In his greetings, the Chief Minister stated that Yaosang is a festival of joy and gaiety in which everyone, irrespective of age and gender, participates with enthusiasm. He said Yaosang celebrates the victory of good over evil and underscores the spirit of harmony and friendship amongst communities. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan has extended heartiest greetings on the auspicious occasion of Yaosang Festival. In his greetings, Speaker stated that the festival, which will start from the full moon day of this month, will go on for 5 days. He wished for the festival to bring peace and harmony amongst communities of the state. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit also conveyed heartiest greetings on the auspicious occasion of Yaosang Festival. Appreciating the incorporation of sports in Yaosang Festival, Minister Biswajit appealed for all communities to participate in Yaosang celebration in its true spirit and resolve to make Manipur a better and peaceful state where mutual respect and love prevails amongst the inhabitants. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on former Supreme Court Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh becoming country's first Lokpal. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Former Supreme Court Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh has been appointed as the country's first Lokpal chairman. According to a communique issued by Rashtrapati Bhavan, President Ramnath Kovind has appointed the chairman of the Lokpal along with other members of the anti-corruption watchdog. The Lokpal will have 4 judicial and 4 non-judicial members. Former Chief Justice Dilip B. Vosley, Pradeep Kumar Mohanty and Avilasha Kumari and sitting Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court Ajay Kumar Tripathi have been appointed as judicial members. The non-judicial members are former First Woman Chief of Shasastra Sima Bal Archana Rama Sudaram, ex-Maharashtra Chief Secretary Dinesh Kumar Jain, former IRS officer Mahendra Singh and ex-IAS officer Indrajit Prasad Gautam. 66 years of old Justice Ghosh retired as Supreme Court Judge in May 2017. He is a member of the National Human Rights Commission since 29 of June 2017. Citizen Association for Rural Development Wabagai urged the government to cancel the transfer order of AS, NSO and Sarat who is hugely involved settling land-related controversy of Patadar 166 Wabagai village in Kakching district. The villagers are against establishment of a new village at Karungpat by encroaching Patadar 166. The association warned of calling burn in Kakching district if the transfer order is not revoked by March 27. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Association President S.H. Tamphajau stated that as per 1960 land records, Wabagai village is listed as Patadar 166. He maintained that the land dispute started since 1981 with efforts of the relevant department to merge Patadar 166 with Karungpa to form a new village. He said Wabagai villagers approached Revenue Minister Karam Shyam to solve the land dispute, upon which AS, NSO, and Surat and DC Kakching were instructed to bring resolution. Tamphajau condemned the transfer notification served to AS and SO and Surat by Settlement Director amid the unsettling case. He termed the act as total disregard to residents of Wabagai and targeted to prove them wrong.
Makoy na mutapig raba met picharuk singja patagi saruk singji chung tongna rambana honarapagi tanjajida ojijik director ori basina order pira kanda sum thongna bagi honabagi mohota en charachi transfer order amuk thadorpani hariba transfer order ja masi thadok piganu ojijik chayen nariba 1981 dagi chayen naraga laiba mafam je ongtang sumthokpiu haibini ang kuntare phaugi manungda masi state taudana han aikoi gi thabak sing ase loisan han bidaba taragadi koina thangnaba numitagi aikoi Kakching district ban taujagani khongjang sida parja miyamna amasung lamdam asomda laibiriba punamangna aikoi kar wabai mateng pangbiu.
Indian Dental Association Manipur State Branch organized free oral and dental awareness and checkup in relation to World Oral Health Day at Mekle International School in Lambung, Makong today. They came on the theme Say A, Egg on Mouth was held in association with the Department of Public Health Dentistry, Jennings Dental College. Speaking in the event, Honorary Secretary of Indian Dental Association Manipur State Branch, Dr. N. Satish Kumar stressed the need to maintain good oral hygiene for a healthy life.
Ya si phana leina ba akhoi gi ngasi pandam sida amasung ya pharaga di haksang phai haibagi pandam da akhoi na Macleay International School da angang pi bangang singchi yengaga angang singsi gi awareness dental camp amasung moi gi ya thinba ya phana thamna ba ki mong da thammane na akhoi na ngasi gi program sima sponsor akhoi dental camp amasung awareness program ma premium Dr. Kanor Sijabani.
Caesar Hospital and Research Institute Shri, in collaboration with Imphal West Traffic Police, held an awareness campaign in relation to World Head Injury Awareness Day. Staff and students of Shri raised awareness on prevention of head injuries due to road mishaps using various placards in front of Kangla Gate today. Taking part in the campaign, DSP Imphal West Traffic Police K. Bijoy Kumar called on everyone to follow traffic rules to prevent road mishaps.
Sahi amada India da siriba sang adagi maruina koina gari si speed control toroga thaudaba adagi seat belt phadaba helmet phajana uptaba sigum mayam dagi head injury as well as aduga maduda to sibana bi sang si adug matik wangi hai besidagi ekoi khara control tongnaba loina na sibagi sang sokwi sang hantanaba mayam da awareness program ama ekoi message sandok jabani public na masida cooperation pibiba aduga traffic rule phajana follow tobiba helmet upiba car thawbe seat belt phabiba sigum mayam si mayam tawiragadi akoina sida sibana bi sang si adugim te handani na khali.
Chairman of Pognapam Lamdam Chingtam Vocational Training Center, Dr. Tokcham Chandramani, and advisor of Salai Holdings Private Limited, cum ADC Chandel member K. Lingam Tarao, jointly launched bamboo and cane products manufactured by the center in association with artisans of Tarao community. The launching event was held at Koiro, Thongju Part 2 today. The newly launched items include bamboo and cane mat varied designs of basket, buckets and kitchen apron made from traditional handloom clothes. Week-long, We Ring the Bell campaign on the theme All Children Are Welcome to School, including children with disability, held at Thanga Idol School since March 13, concluded today. Handicap Development Foundation Manipur, Manipur Jan Vikas Samiti Vanarasi, and Alliance for Netherlands jointly organized the campaign. Taking part in the valedictory event, Secretary General of Handicap Development Foundation, Dr. Sapam Jasowanta, stated that the campaign was held with an aim to empower and encourage persons with disabilities and to stop discrimination against them.
School singsida koi nama sor bangang singsisu mabung phana mayam marakta makoisu tamjaba phangnanabagi pandamdani habadi sarkar gi school sing amadi lanai gi school singsida matik chaba infrastructure sing adagi magi matik chaba equipment sing du laitragadi angang singsina laik tamba lakpa yaroi dabanina haibe singse thambina ba school authority bu subhab tahana ba aduga hawgala iba khoi gi maheroi sing suju haiba khoi nama soibe sing angang singse thol lakpa matamda makoi ga chap manana loina na ba makoi haidi discriminate tawbidana ba makoi amatani haibagi sense to porogna na bagi pandamda masi prithvi gi oina sathaba duma program amani.
Lining Thosanamahi Temple Board has appealed not to burn Salai Taret flag and the flag of Mangang Luang Kuman while setting on fire Yaosheng ceremonial huts on the occasion of Yaosheng Festival. Speaking to media at the board office in First Manipur Rifles Complex today, Board Vice President Wakhalam Jingba also appealed to vendors not to sell the flags for Yaosheng Festival. He warned that volunteers of the board will inspect every Yaosheng hut from 10 in the morning tomorrow.
Yaosheng kumai ga mari lenana landam masi ki praja miyambu ya proposal pijari Yaosheng sare har kanda ishol lengchel laga mai thabagi chanabi ama Chandakiti Maharaj ki hatak tagi tawrapa asidai asoi ba ketang akoina thengnajar pa haitare Yaosheng saraga mai thabadu akoi thingjabandati kumai echigi mayak tu jo akoi lejadi tobudubu ipani imani luxury ba salagi firana sibu mai thabiba tasena akoi isada maisa phawbudu no tori base masi phawin janingde hojik phagi oinadi yamna kanna su thinguba tawdabanina khana chainaba thoktri tungda tholoi habi wahom leite maramdi firangi damakta mi sinari mi leba kainari bani ana maram orakanda salai tereki firan ase Yaosheng mai thaba matamda firan sabiba singna su sabiganu matungda aduga thepi wa lebi ba singna su lebi ganu thepi ganu mai thaba yawbi ganu haiba apil ase
Jingumart in collaboration with Center for Research on Environmental Development CRED kick off Clean Manipur Challenge 2019 ahead of Yaosheng Festival at Singjamai Supermarket today. Renowned Manipuri film actress Soma Laishram and film director Hemanta Kuman jointly launched the challenge. Mamataj Manipuri Dance and Music Center MMDMC observed Festival of Thabal Chongba under the aegis of Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi today. The event was held at the residence of Makhomani Mongsaba in Uripok, Achom, Laikat. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Manipur State Kala Academy, Imphal L. Kishorjit, expressed apprehension at the rising influence of globalization upon Thabal Chongba, which is a unique art form of the state. He called upon stakeholders to promote, preserve and maintain the sanctity of Thabal Chongba art form.
Thabal Chongba hariba sigumlaba culture components ngasi yokhatpa masibu yokhana bahona haibasi tasengna culture gi tilda ekhoi hasi work to viriba sangsan sing cultural organization amadi institutions sing makhoi achouba thodang adu lei chahi amagi tawda yadabagi brand khara fangi haidana pokto tawba nataba a certain kind of research and madugi documents lehongna bahona biba hojik ekhoina thengnariba crisis si revival gi issue la iba kari tawriba masigi social structure da change tawriba physical structures change tawriba adai society gi value si hongai iba economic condition tradition ase akoi masigi ahong wala iba haiba port sing asigi marak adure akoi gi hana lejaramba tradition and culture gi values sing asi hanthadana masibo akoi na kamaina purga chatkadagi sumaina tawriba function sing asina awareness create tobunatana collection tawrga masi chumna phajana thamba darkar oi.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju kick off its annual 9th Journalist Sports Meet as part of the Yaosheng Festival today. Many journalists from media houses of the state took part in the torch rally flag off from Kangla after getting the sacred fire from Kangla Shrine at 8:30 this morning. The rally concluded at Manipur Press Club in Majorkul, where former Icham President Nongthongbam Rajendro and member of Uchekok Nongchup Jila Parisad Seram Niken lighted the sports cauldron with sacred fire and hoisted Amju flag. Speaking to media, Amju President Bojendro Ningomba lauded state journalists for their commitment and dedication. He also stressed the need to participate in games and sports for the healthy lifestyle. State journalists will compete in various events including football, cricket, badminton, table tennis, volleyball, chess, 100-meter race, 800-meter race, high jump and long jump during the 5-day sports meet.
Yaosheng suti numit mangani lebasiki manungda paumbi sinfamda lebiriba aikoi isina punamak tongan ba ngausinaba adigi saba takpa adumba langthokpa adomda aikoi matamsi manghandana amsung aikoi hakchang isani sabu sohan bagi mongdu tawjadanaba aikoi isani sabu healthy lifestyle ma leinanaba loinana aikoi sana khonabagi hiramda loina phanaba aduma khunaimda horpa ngaktanina aikoi isagi sports talent singdo hena nurture tonanaba aikoi healthy oina leinanaba amsung aikoi mentally physically aikoi afaba adumba kainoma condition ma akoi create tonabagi tamta akoina sinjaduna laksabani
Manipurda akoigi sanaroi hena puthoibsidagi amuka masing hena puthonabagi pandamda कोई सिमाइना संचल पुसे मणिपुर मियामना मसिदा वखल थादबिरकांदा अखोई ngसाइगी निसादा मांगिबा दगी लंबीदा पैसा थटपदा होली चटपदा तौरी मयामसे मसि थाइदोक पिरगा स्पोर्ट्स से हेना पुखनबा अमजुना लौरैबा थौदांग से पुन्ना अखोई सरुक यामिनसे
109 Battalion CRPF today presented sports wear to all Manipur Handicapped People's Organization of Mongsangai on the occasion of Yaosheng Festival. Battalion Commandant Vinod Kumar and other officials were present on the occasion. Sportswear were presented to over 50 individuals of the organizations. Secretary of All Manipur Handicapped People's Organization, Y. Ibe Chaubi, lauded CRPF personnel for their charitable deed. Coach of FC Madras Academy, James Singson, organized a selection trial to select young footballers between the age of 13 and 15 to be trained at FC Madras Academy since yesterday. Around 200 young footballers of Moray Town took part in the selection trial held at Moray, Gamnom, Lentol ground, out of which 76 players were selected today. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. All India Congress Committee President Rahul Gandhi addresses massive election rally in Hapta Kangjibung, assures stands against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Naga People's Front NPF declares Dr. Lorho Fuzi as candidate for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election. Manpack gears up to hold People's Conference along with various Northeast-based organizations in Imphal from April 1st to 3rd to discuss on various issues facing Northeast states. President Ramnath Kovind appoints former Supreme Court Judge Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh as country's first Lokpal chairperson. Lining Thosanamahi Temple Board warns against burning of Salai Tarit and Mangang Luang Kuman Flake along with Yaosheng ceremonial huts. And All Manipur Working Journalists Union kick off annual 9 Journalist Sports Meet 2019 as part of Yaosang Festival.